Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and today I'm going to show you how I achieve my bouncy curls. So keep on watching. So I'm starting out on freshly shampooed, deep conditioned, and blown dry hair. I'm going to be sectioning my hair off into 3 sections, my left side being the largest. Of course, I'm going to spray my Tresemme heat protectant first. I don't know about you, but by the time I reach the top of my head, my arms are really tired, so I always start at my nape. And I'm just going to make sure I get that kitchen girl, and then towards the end, I'm just going to twist up the iron, just like that, and just get a little curl on the end of my hair right there. So this is the first time I'm putting heat on my hair, so I will be using the iron on 430 instead of 450. I normally always use 450, but I just decided to lower the heat because I just didn't need it. I know someone is going to ask me in the comment section below about what type of iron I am using. I am sorry, you guys, I don't have a clue. This iron is so old. I've had it for over 6 or 7 years now. The letters have since wiped off, and I cannot find it on Amazon. I tried. However, what you see wrapped around my iron is called magic tape. That is used normally for keratin treatments. It was a big thing when keratin treatments first came out. This iron has been wrapped in this magic tape since then. That's how old this iron is, you guys. So the magic tape you should be able to find on Amazon. As I get closer to the top of my head, you will see that I flipped the iron a lot sooner than I did in the back. That's because I want to keep my length in the back as much as possible, and I want to frame my face with the curls in the front. So really, to achieve this look, the only thing that I'm doing is smoothing out my roots, going down my strand until I get to the bottom of where I want to curl, flip it over one time, and it curls my hair. At the time of this video, I am currently 8 weeks post relaxer. Alright, so this completes this section, and I'm going to spray my next section, which is the back section on my right side. Spray that with some Tresemme, and we're just going to speed through this really quickly because it's really repetitive. I'm doing the same curls from the other side. I'm not switching it up at all, you guys. I just want to say going heatless in the summertime has made a huge impact on the health and thickness of my hair. I can care less about the length of the hair if it's not healthy. And then also, just blow drying in the fall thus far has allowed me to maintain healthier, thicker ends as well. So I just want to make sure you get it. So smooth the root, go down the strand, clamp the hair, flip it over once, and pull through. Just like that. This front section it's a section of its own because it's so thick. As you just saw, I did spray that with Tresemme, and I'm going to repeat those same steps. Now I know someone is going to ask, how long does this last? This will last for a week or two. But you do have to pin curl it at night. You can't just sleep on it and think it's going to hold up. It's not. You're going to have to pin curl this at night. I do have a pin curling video. My hair being freshly washed, this will fall throughout the week for me, only because I do not pin curl my hair every night. It is a personal choice. I don't really care about having, structured curls all week. I don't know if you guys have taken notice, but I do want to point out, when I'm sectioning my hair, I make sure it's a clean section. When I am subsectioning my hair to curl, I make sure it's a clean subsection. This is important because you don't want any stray hairs getting caught in the iron, getting pulled out of your follicle. That is not what we're doing. That's damaging. So when you are sectioning off your hair, make sure you have a clean section to work with. So I've noticed, no matter if it's myself curling my hair, my aunt, and even people in the past that I've allowed curl my hair, the very top of my hair, no matter how hard the curl is, no matter how much product you put in my hair, that section never curls tightly. These little pieces at the top never curl tight. So this is always a looser curl, which is why I have it going off to the side, like I have a side part. It just looks better to me that way. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. So this being the last piece, I'm just going to smooth out my roots, pull it through, flip the iron, twist once, and pull through my strand. As you guys know, coconut oil is my go-to, my everyday go-to. I'm just going to use that much, and I'm going to put it all over my hair. By me just deep conditioning my hair, I don't need too much, but this just adds more shine and nutrients to my hair. I absolutely love it. Okay, my people, this is the final result. Again, this will last me about a week or two, pin curling my hair every night. I love this. This is my go-to curl. Leave a comment down below if you've tried this, and until the next time, be love.